Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Oz with Oz Mechanics, and on today's video we have this SUV right here. The issue that we have with this SUV, every single time we try to open up the door, it just doesn't stay open. So on today's video we're going to show you how to replace the shocks in here to make sure that this door stays open. Alright, so this rear door right here is basically like the hood. So some hoods in the front, they have the little shocks right here, and the ones I'm talking about is right here. So this is what's basically keeping this open. So as you can see, we can let go of the door and it's just gonna fall down. So I've done this plenty of times. I was working on the car, you know, shocks were actually holding the hood up in place, and then after 10 seconds or so, wham, hit me right in the head. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this up. And the only tools that you really need are going to be a flathead screwdriver and these vice grip pliers. So I don't know if you saw my top 5 life hacks. I would use these actual pliers to hold these shocks in place. So if you only have one person, I'm going to show you how to do this the easy way. Get them in place. So now what we can do, because this has 2 different shocks, we can actually work on the other side. So the other side is going to be free. So let's get to the other side so I can show you how to remove this. Okay, so we are on the other side. This is the driver's side right here. And what we need to do, these shocks actually have 2 clips. They're going to have one on one side of the shock, and we're going to have another one on the other side of the shock. So these are the clips I'm talking about right here, and essentially that's what's going to be clipping on to the actual rear hatch. So to take these off on these, what we need to do is just pry that open like that and then pop them off. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're just going to pry this open. We can take it off if we want, you know, we're not going to be using these anymore, and then we can pop this right off. Alright, so there goes number 1, and then what we can do, just pull off number 2. And essentially we just pop these into place. Pop there, and just pop this one into place, and there you go. So now what we need to do is go to the other side. Alright, so I'm on the other side. I just went ahead, left the vice grip in place, and like I said, we have the other shock actually installed, so that should be less heavier if this tends to fall, because this is a heavy rear hatch. So what we're going to do, like I said, pop this off, and as you can see, already popped down. Pop it off, and then just pop this back into place. Alright, as you can see, right now we don't have anything on there. Both are in place. Pretty easy job, took me about 5 minutes to do. Alright, just to see that this is actually working, back to normal. There you go, just like new. So if you do like this video, please don't forget to put a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell to get all the brand new videos coming out from Oz Mechanics. Y'all have a nice day.